ring throughout Jamaica.
He lie.
Lie, lie, lie.
Lie, lie, he lie.
On a Monday, on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, on a Thursday, on a Friday.
Comrades.
La 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 la.
He lies. My comrade sisters, I say to you today as we are gathered here at this, the 73rd Conference of the People's National Party, that you, the women of the PNP, and you, the women of Jamaica, makes up the majority on the voters list. And when the time comes, comrade, we are going to go out into the streets, into the lanes, into the valleys, onto the hillsides, and we are going to say to the people that we meet, enough is enough. One term of Bruce is enough. He must pack his bags and he must go.
Blow your trumpet! Blow your trumpet! Are you ready for the PNP? Are you ready for Comrade Portia Simpson Miller?
Comrades, sisters
Yeah!
of the People's National Party, if you are ready to put the PNP in office, let me hear you say PNP. Let me hear your sisters say PNP. Let me hear it. Let me hear you say Portia. Portia.
Portia!
Portia.
Portia!
Let me hear it for the People's National Party.
PNP! For we mean to fight the labor rights and to set Jamaica free. We are blood and fire comrades, and we are marching on to progress.
Comrades, comrades, sisters, rise up for your children, rise up for your old people, rise up for your men, rise up and set Jamaica free. Comrades, set Jamaica free as only you, the women of the PNP can. Comrades, one heart, one love, and I see you in the fields and in the valleys of Jamaica.
We're ready, 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 we're ready!
Yes, you once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you.
All right.
I love you.
All right, Yuki. And now we're going to hear from the representative of the National Workers Union, none other than Comrade Vincent Morrison. Yeah, your shot, say it now.
Half an hour. Comrade Chairman, Comrade General Secretary, Comrade officers of the party, comrades on the platform, members and delegates of the National Workers Union, comrade delegates of the People's National Party, I bring you greetings from the largest, the biggest, the more progressive, the strongest trade union in Jamaica and the Caribbean, the National Workers Union, and our sister affiliate, UKIF. Comrades, the workers of this country have decided, that one term for labor, one term for labor, one term for labor. Comrades, I wish to congratulate the party for putting on an excellent conference. And I wish to tell you that the workers of this country are tired of the disrespect. They are tired of the promises. Where are the jobs? Where are the jobs? The layoff and the redundancies continue. But comrades, we have the opportunity to correct this. And what I'm saying to the entire country is that come the date of the next election, we want you to come out and vote. It has to come down from bank to bank because the Jamaica Labour Party has demonstrated that they are incompetent. They have demonstrated that they can't manage. And as you know, we have the best leader in this country in the person of Comrade Simpson Miller. And we are going to make sure that when the election call, the working class of Jamaica do what they have to do. Vote out Bruce Golding. Vote PNP in power. God bless you. One love. God bless you.
Let's drink to the hard-working people, and let's drink to the lowly of birth. Raise your glass to the good and the evil. Let's drink salt of the earth.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Say a prayer for the common foot soldier. Sparrow thought for his back-breaking word.
Comrades.
Say a prayer for his wife.
Someone help me with the mic here. Someone help me with the mic. Luther. Come. All right, comrades. Put up. Stand up. All right, comrades. All right, we have enough water, don't worry. But I'm asking the smokers. Some of you are energizing patients with asthma. Please cut out the smoking. No, comrades, stop the throwing of the water like that, please. Cut it out. We have enough water. All right, comrades. The next person you're going to hear from is the General Secretary. But before that, we're going to have some music. Not from Dukey this time, but from Lover's Choice. Dukey, you have to hold on a while, but not yet. I want the roll call. And I think I'm going to do it by parish. All the comrades from Portland, let me hear you. All right. All the comrades from St. Thomas. No, me can't make it out. Me can't make it out. All the comrades then from St. Mary. All right. The regional chairman complained that the rest are outside. All right, you know, in fairness, I hear that 3 times the people outside, 3 times inside what here. So let us give a cheer for the comrades outside. Hip, hip, hip. Comrades outside, you hear us? You know, I think them having a better time out there than us, you know, because at least them can move around. All right, well, I don't understand this thing. Comrades from Westmoreland. Hey, Roger. All me hear is horn, you know. Roger. Comrades from Hanover. DK. Comrades from Trelawney. What? I skip out St. James. Comrade from St. James. But funny enough, so far it look like St. James win. Let me check it again. Comrades from St. James. Look like them win. It's all right. Where am I now? Comrades from St. Anne. No, hold on. The regional chairperson come right now and tell me, many of them outside, I don't want to hear that excuse again. Comrades from St. Anne. No, it look like you beat St. James by a little. All right, where am I now then? Comrades from Clarendon. Boy, all of them outside. A few scattered showers. Comrades from the greatest parish, St. Catherine. All right. Collins said Portmore is a parish. Comrades from Portmore. All right, your worship to be. All right. Now, in fairness, I cannot say Kingston and St. Andrew. I'm going to say comrades from St. Andrew. Boy, I don't know. If I were a judge, I would say that kind of like a poorly. Comrades from Kingston. All right, the best thing to do is say, comrades from Kingston and St. Andrew. Boy, it's a dead heat between you and St. Anne and St. Catherine. Have I left out a parish?
The great Manchester, you crazy?
The General Secretary come tell me about the great Manchester. Him think he's meeting him at that Manchester. No, I don't ask you anything yet. Comrades from Manchester. Comrade Skeffrey, I think you come fourth. All right, comrades, let me welcome all of you. Where? Boy, I'm going to give Region 5 a hard time. All right, let me start first. Region 5, show your hands. Let me hear you. All right. Comrades from St. Elizabeth. But the sound louder than the hands that I see though. The sound's louder than the hands. Have I left out anybody now? No, man, Mr. St. Thomas and Hanover a long time. You want to give him a second chance? St. Thomas! You see, that's why I didn't want to do it. No, Fergie, not what? Fergie said them outside because them not inside. Hanover! Them outside too. All right, thank you. The party leader going to do it, but I'm going to just test out something. Could the councillors stand up, please? Give them a big round of applause. Congrats, they look good, All right, we're going to hear some music from Lover's Choice. Yeah, man, we do that. We do Portland lot first. What first? It's out of Westmoreland. Oh, no. It's out of Westmoreland. The legal officer is saying I didn't do Portland and St. Mary. I know. You know what I'm saying? What, mad sick head no good? I called St. Mary and I called Portland. Portland was the first. Portland, let me hear you. Everybody outside. St. Mary, let me hear you. St. Mary beat Portland. St. Mary beat Portland. What? Man, I called Clarendon long time. I didn't call. You're not listening, you know. All right. They say I didn't call Clarendon. Comrades from Clarendon. Clarendon? That's why you never hear. Lover's Choice, over to you.
All right.
A little entertainment from Lover's Choice.
Right now, you know, first, I have to big up Father God, because He make it possible with the whole of the answer today. All right? All who love Father God, put up on the hand right now. All who respect Norman Manley, put up on the hand right now. All who respect Michael Manley, put up on the hand them same way. All who respect PJ Patterson, to keep the hand up there. All who love Portia Simpson Miller, start make some noise now. Make a wall in for
Yes, Jamaicans, it's all about
I love us trying to play.
and leadership you can trust. Portia is that leader. Portia is the change.
The people that love Portia, we are the flag them.
Family.
Make some noise in there.
Woman, I go road this country. Yes, sister. This is the 21st century. Prophecy fulfilled. Woman, I go rise.
Millie Scott daughters, come up on stage now.
Woman, I go road.
Come up on stage.
You hear that? Woman, I go road
This country.
This is the 21st century.
The woman asking the flag and wave upstairs. Want to upstairs.
Woman, I go rise.
The people upstairs, now we have some flag now.
Woman, I go road this country. Woman might be weaker than man physically, but they're tougher and stronger mentally. Them independent and proud, just like we. Them only need a man to help them emotionally. Take the average woman out here, she's smarter than we, brighter than we, more focused than we. If you think I'm telling lie, just come with me and let
No, we have them flag for Portia again. We have them higher. We have them higher.
women run
If you're not the flag, we have your hand. We have your hand.
run the factories,
We have your hand.
schools and hospitals, and women run the courts. Now them stepping up in government, them stepping up in parliament and in the corporate world.
Upstairs, we have it.
Men and hold them
We have
on. Man
you, PMP. Let's sing that part. Sing that part, yeah. Lovers Choice are play. You know, we represent for Portia constituency. So we have to play some song for the party leader.
PNP massive and they move again.
What the people of our Whitfield Town Division then?
Forward, push, forward, forward, push.
Southwest Section, that's how we represent for.
Forward, forward, push, forward.
Who not ready?
Forward, push, forward, forward, PNP. Oh yes. Forward, push, forward, another victory. Rise to your calling, fulfill your destiny.
Big up Lawrence and big up. So when the sing say
Forward, push, forward.
forward, push, forward.
Forward, push, forward. Your first term, the people's term, is what we need today. You are the chosen vessel to take us along the way. You're strong, fit, and ready to lead us come what way. With the Father's help and our vote, you'll surely win the day.
So they say forward, push, forward, PMP.
Forward, push, forward.
Now you have a part of that song and I want to sing it.
Oh yes. Rise to your calling, fulfill your destiny. Lead us with compassion, strength and integrity. Massive, forward, push, forward,
Forward,
push, forward, forward, push, forward.
now you see the leader right there. We're going to tell the leader right them something. We're going to tell the leader right them say.
Mr. Bangarang and all of your friends.
Leader right.
Oh yeah.
Push. Now to sing again. We're going to pray for Portia now.
Again.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
you're right.
Oh yeah.
You're right. We're going to pray for Portia now.
Oh, Sister P.
For you. Don't ready again.
Raise your voice and chant.
Portia.
Who the people them want? Who the youth them love? Who them want kiss and hug? Who full of grace and charm? Who mean you no harm?
A Portia.
Push up your hand in
Don't put up behind them again.
show them the bush gone clear. Gone clear.
I would tell him to say God make everything possible, so we can't do without God. So big of the people know say you love Father God, you love the People's National Party.
Hey!
Don't want to keep the flag them wave. Keep the flag them wave. Wave them. Wave them. Wave them. Wave them. Wave
Hear
them.
my cry, oh Lord, attend unto my prayer.
Yeah.
From the end of the earth will I cry.
From you on the labor right, spin the roll. From you on the labor right, spin the roll.
When my heart is overwhelmed,
Spin the roll.
lead me to the rock that is higher than I. That is higher than I.
Make me rebuke the labor right there. Yes, see them.
You're too bad mind, 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 you're too bad mind.
Find a bad mind. Start with. Start with. Start with.
We are old bad man, but we hypocrites can't say. Too bad mind, you're too bad mind. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Our life, and tell Satan, you're too bad mind, you're too bad mind, you're too bad mind. Kiss the cross and do
Everybody.
we are born out bad man. You're too bad mind, you're too bad mind.
All PMP, make me rebuke the labor right there. Rebuke them.
Ready. Review them. Them no like we are, we no like them. Review them. Them no like we are, we no like them. Trample them. We no care if I did them.
All who know your heart clean and you love PMP, say PMP. All who know you're not labor right, say PMP.
All type of things them want. You never listen, never argue. So them want hide and can. Them can't find you, them a send no man for all type of things them want. You never listen, never argue.
Don't find some space and move up on them.
Them can't find you, them a send no man for can. You see the blood when I run up in a them. Make bad mind just turn up in a them. That's why every organ snum up in a them. L-O-V-E tell you none up in a them.
The blood when I run up in a them.
Make bad mind just turn up in a them. That's why every organ's numb.
Don't love us tries to play a couple party.
No, boy, they will cut you for your toe, for your foot back. Cut you when you're jam on.
No, my father a PMP. Some of us born as a PMP. All who know you're born PMP, put up your hand again. Millie Squad, come on the stage right now. Labor right and wicked from them win. Jamaica mash up.
Where we them leave the head? Where we them leave the head?
Tell them to go with them evil head. Go with them evil head. Go with them evil head. Fry no bad mind, put up your hand. Fry no bad mind, put up your hand.
Dirty bad mind people can't stress me out. Who of them a try that can't get me out. Bible in a me pocket and me no step without. Babylon lock me up and I feel it. Watch your friend them from a friend me get.
A PMP are the best party for Jamaica.
Stretch me out. Tell them that nah.
PMP are the best party for Jamaica. Yes, labor right.
Russia, why them stay so?
No, I see how you 3 years old.
When a youth try survive in a life, them why you to stay down. Bad man want me to lay down. 6'6" and a beer ground. One time my life the heart don't guide me.
If your friend there, touch your friend. Hug up your friend. Hold on by your friend. For your friend afford for PMP. Hold on by your friend.
Show me know.
Show me know.
My friend them from before, to make me know. So be hard to guide them do. Cause the prayer they will chase them away. Them I wish bad, but I love me. Turn out.
They want to tell you about call the election. All right, he's up for that nice enough. Come on, the people them hear me I say. Tell them for call the election, because anytime them call it, PMP ready, though. Don't to the ready, though. So whatever we up for call them, things are afraid.
We no frightened so easy. All when you're rolling with the army, that no scare we. Me represent.
All PMP to sing that part, yeah.
Hey,
Wait, no. Play about that song, yeah.
we no frightened so easy. All when you're rolling with
Play
the
about
army,
right when you no scare we. We represent for PMP. PLN, what's that, Maxine?
We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. Never scared, never scared, never scared, never scared. When me born alone. Me Rottweiler them no shot a bone. Me no left my mongrel dog a yard. If I war you a defend, go and back home.
No, me not feel like we drop that song in at the party.
Me from sing.
Cause I saw the lights. No more that.
Me feel like we drop that song in.
One man me fear, ready Messiah. Me a boy.
Oh, we
Step on the battlefield without a shield. All when set a fire. All when me not have no food, no water. Jah love me never yet shatter. Me a got this for real. The pain me a feel them a deal with sons and
if you're there and you believe in yourself, point by yourself. All who love yourself, point by yourself.
where them can do, where them can do.
Every PMP, point by yourself and say.
My life, no easy like
1, 2, 3.
no easy like do-re-mi. My life,
It's no easy, so don't worry me.
yeah.
My life,
No easy like 1, 2, 3. No easy like
don't worry me. My life, my life.
no easy, so don't blame me. Yeah, my life, road full of buckle and grass. Tell about the tackle and catch. You me stand firm like the million man march.
No, I'm afraid I have to ask you something. When you love the life when I live, you know, don't want PNP come back in our power. Don't can't remember the days when PNP in our power. All right, no. Everything okay, no. All who are labor right, go. Say, go. Say labor right, go. If you love PMP, say PMP.
I'm a god. Stop.
All of the PMP, them ready.
I love my life. I love my life.
I love my life.
I love my life.
We don't like labor, right? All PMP, ready. You know that we don't know when.
Tomorrow might bring all the future, the hours away. So me, I live my life today. Me, I live my life today. Yes.
So don't let them talk when they want.
Me have enough to say. So me go live.
Everyone to sing that part here.
Me go live my life today.
Sing that part here.
Everybody else to sing it out.
Sing louder.
Big up every ghetto, big up every scheme. A juggle man, a juggle man, a juggle.
What the hustle of them there?
Big up every ghetto, big.
What the hustle of them there?
Me step out and say, phone card, phone card, phone card.
Banana. Whoa. Come play one more.
Any piece of gold, me have any piece of gold.
Phone card, phone card, phone card.
Banana chips, let me say, cash for gold, cash for gold, cash for gold.
Any piece of gold, me have any piece of gold.
Well, also man, hustle in the street. Also man, hustle for make two ends meet. When the youth them hungry, them not skin the teeth. I mean, them rock the body out the street. Even though I'm only part-time up. Check till me belly goes to me know.
Hold on. Hold on now. The people them, I'm telling you something. You see that sound you love us, guys? A real PMP sound. My band comes to my father, I play for PMP. All right, now I'm there, so I'm going to play for the PMP them. So I know, say, I'm born PMP. All right? Big up Jokey. You're the real elder who said the thing. All that who ready for vote, put up on the hand them, so. All that who ready for election, and anytime them call it to be ready, put up on the hand them, so. Who not vote for? Who not vote for? So, you ready? Who not ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Rise up the fist then again. Put up the fist then.
Are you ready?
Put up the fist then.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Keep on the fist then at the ear. Keep on the fist then. Keep them at the ear. When the road is gone,
I'll be standing taller to face the darkest and hardest of time.
love us choice and play.
We'll be taking care of all the children there.
No, my granny tell me say labor right can't sing that song.
We'll be on
So
the.
fry and labor right sing.
You can call me by my name.
Right now my partner in crime him there. I said something.
Comrades, you ready for PNP coming power? If you're ready for win the election, all the comrades on the outside, all the comrades on top. You know we win election. We win election PD by PD. No. We win it division by division. No. Constituency by constituency. Here PNP win election. And we win election.
Baby girl, you look so good tonight, good tonight, good tonight. Seeing you dance in the flashing lights, flashing lights, flashing lights. Dance floor box full of people. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. In the middle, and the DJ's playing our favorite songs.
Are you in?
I'm feeling your heartbeat pulling me closer, closer.
One by one. And comrades, I don't want you to feel like PNP is a disrespectful party. And we don't respect all the offices in the country. But you have some people in the office that don't belong in the office. You see in the PNP, we have some real women in the PNP. But you see when we look for the GLP women them, like all the attorney general, like all the ministers, sports and picture taking. What we call them kind of women, they were for the GLP side. Right woman them people that gonna come in, no man, the vibes, you know.
She said, man, a wicked, but woman a Delilah. She said she not trust me, but me not trust her neither. Cause of you, I got the icebox where my heart used to be. Cause of you, I got the icebox. No more you holding me.
You see, comrades, when you're in the battlefield, when you're in the battlefield, there are many comrades who have come and gone. I want you to lift up your hands, lift up your flag. If you love Horace Clark, and you miss Horace Clark, St. Mary, make me see your flag them. Westmoreland, if you miss Ralph Anglin, make me see your flag them. Clarendon, if you miss Dr. McGill, make me see your flag them. For all the soldiers of the PNP army, we play this one for you.
Yo. John, stop. More time you take for granted the time when you spend with your friends. Now them gone. Use the splits, you're really not too When I ask you, you make me laugh. When me tell you some can't, you tell me some smart, so break my heart.
St. Elizabeth, you miss Danny Buchanan.
Pray over your body that.
You miss Danny Buck. Tears in my eyes.
It hurt me to my heart, life won't be the same. Some me know me lose a friend.
When Danny Buck
some me know
on the campaign,
yeah.
on the platform, stand up if you miss Danny Buchanan. If you miss Comrade Danny Buck.
It's a friend. I got to shout it out to my icon. Although your boss and gone, you are my done. In all my times of tribulation, you I could rely on. Yeah.
But you see, when we rate the soldiers, them, we have to give them the victory. And I want you to get your feet working. I want you to act like it's this time of year. Because some people are waiting for Olympics. Some people are waiting for 50th anniversary of independence. But you say next year, summer, what will happen to them?
Love this, you know. Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to reach a summertime. Hey, every man say if come along. Go for your suntan in the summer sun. If you want bleach, go back home. Go for your umbrella, cause the sun a burn. The young girl, them a bring it on. In a bikini, them in a pretty tongue. You know for shy girl, bring it come. If you have a fool man, get it on. Both more may come from me now. Pretty girl does a pose like dummy now. And the tongues them a rub them down, you know. In a
the Warrior Squad. The Warrior Squad. Warrior dancers.
ATI we are going on. Cherry Garden. Dream Weekend coming on. Minsboro, Jackson. Smush, I got done, you know. Oh, here we go. Summertime is here. You know. School is closed. Sing the party. You will black, girl, them fat. Go on, mad ready to them jump.
We rate the PNP ladies. Our PNP women, you're saying this.
Yo! Open at the club, we gone again.
Give me a PNP bunks now, why you?
You will black, girl, them fat. Go on, mad ready to them jump. One just chop and bust her head back. When 3 vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad. Girl, them a say Gaza party bad. Girl, that sweet like a butter bag. Zamunda gone with 41. I agree. I go shout in a hand. Me no want see no man a bar with 40 man. Girl inna the club with them a party pan. Them say the world pass him a the part. Girl them pants them straight up. Them know me clocks them lace up and.
You hear them say about oh, Dudus did I intimidate. Added Giannis them can intimidate you. Rockford them can intimidate you. West Kingston, Matches Lane, Anatown, Whitfield Town, them can't intimidate you.
Me no take intimidation, for me and the good boy, me no fear man. And me we make to live up on this station. Yo! Open at the club, we gone again. Yeah, you will black, girl them fat. Go on, mad ready to them jump. One just chop and bust her head back. When 3 vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad. Girl, them a say Gaza party bad. Girl, that sweet like a butter bag. Zamunda gone with 41. I agree.
I crush out in a hand. Me no want see no man a bar with 40 man. Y'all inna the club with them a party pan. Them say the world pass him a the party done. Y'all them.
Everybody want run summer. You know see me at me a done summer. Every girl I get is a bun summer. Me a the #1 stunner. Call the hotel to make my reservation for my.
That destination is Jamaica House, Garden House, PNP in power.
Yeah.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
All right, comrades. We just had a little session a while ago. I'm appealing to the smokers once more. Cut out the smoking. And now, comrades, I'm going to ask you to welcome to the platform the General Secretary of the People's National Party, who will report to you what transpired over the last 2 days. Give him a big round of applause.
Thank you, sir.
Genius.
Yeah. You see? Oh, them for know. Yeah. Some man a general. If we get a youth, man a godfather, man a general. Them for know, man a general. God of peace, angel of death. If we get a youth, don't fret. From you have life, you have everything. Them couldn't stop my brain, can't take my life. Jah love me so, can't take my soul. I'm going back for everything I know. I'm unstoppable. Each and every day I'm great.
Comrade Chairman, comrade officers, comrade MPs and constituency caretakers, comrade councillors, councillor caretakers, excellencies of the diplomatic corps, specially invited guests, including the president of the private sector organization of Jamaica, workers, warriors, delegates of the People's National Party, greetings. Comrades, I hope the sound on the outside is clear, because I've been informed that for every one person inside the arena, there are 3 persons on the outside. Somebody is correcting me that since I have come in, it has grown to 5 for everyone inside.